Hello, hi there. Today we are going to discuss about the gallium chloride complexes for determining donor strength. There are various methods to quantify the ligand properties, and the famous ones are uh, electron Thalmann parameter and proton affinity. And this is another method for the quantification of ligands, and it is used to determine either the ligand is a strong donor or a weak donor, and we do this by analyzing the geometry of the overall complex. In this complex, the gallium is connected with three chloride ligands and one donor ligand. And the angle between chlorine, gallium, chlorine is measured, which is related with the donor strength of the ligand. Later we will see how it is related. Next question comes, how to measure the angle? Well, for this, for other techniques like Tolman electron parameter, IR is used, but for this, solid state X-ray crystallography is used. And sometimes we also use computational methods. And according to TEP, there's a paper by Ahmed Al-Hamini in which they categorized the ligands based on their donating properties into three groups: the least donor ligands, and the strong donors, and the very strong donors. And then later they analyzed these ligands, and based on TEP and gallium chloride, and they compiled this data, and it can be seen from this data that well, and at the above, at this point, these are the least donors, and when we come down, these are the medium donor, and these are the very strong donors. These are the carbons. So what happens here? We can see that as the donor strength increases, the angle is decreasing, like it is 340, then 330, and then 320, and then 312. So angle is decreasing. So here we can see that it develops a linear relation between the angle and the donor properties of the ligand. Next, we will see how it is related and how this happens. So for this, we have to consult with the Benz rule, and the Benz rule states that the atomic S character tends to concentrate towards electropositive group, while the atomic P character tends to concentrate towards electronegative group. So what it means is that when the ligand will be electropositive, when it will have more donor strength, then the S character of gallium will concentrate in this region. And when there will be more S character here, then the X character between gallium and chlorine will be less. So when the S character decreases, the angle decreases, because the S character has direct relation with the bond angle. So as the S character decreases, so the bond angle decreases. So what happens with the strong donor? The bond angle decreases, and same is the case with here. With the strong donors, the angle is decreasing. So that's all we have to say today. So it can be used as a method to quantify the ligand properties. Thank you.